The Earth rotates around the sun and the moon rotates around the Earth. They fall into alignment at least twice a year. Now, even though the sun's diameter is about 400 times larger than the moon, a total solar eclipse where the moon completely covers the sun is possible because the sun is about 400 times farther away from Earth. Now, when you look at the sky, they both seem about the same size. While the impact of the eclipse will be experienced across much of the country, the big show is the umbra.
Love the umbra.
Love the umbra. And that's when the moon completely blocks the sun. That's the total eclipse. As the shadow of the moon travels across North America, we get
the path of totality.
It will go from Texas to Maine and will be between 108 and 122 miles wide.
Now, on every morning of our life, you will notice that the sun rises in the east
Yep.
and sets in the west. But the eclipse actually goes west to east because you're watching the moon's shadow in orbit, not the Earth's.
Most of America gets the penumbra. That is partial shadow. And if you're only 30 miles from the path, you'll get what's called deep partiality. You'll see just a sliver of the sun with the sky darkening a bit. It's the difference between night and day. The farther away you are from the path, the moon will cover less of the sun. Here in New York City, we're at 90%. And if you're in the 75% area down here, only 75% of the sun will be covered.
That's not bad, though.
Not
It's
bad.
still going to be a show. Now,
Yeah.
people north of the path of totality will see the bottom of the sun covered, and people
Right.
to the south will see the top of the sun covered.
The next solar eclipse that crosses the U.S. will be in 2045.
2045.
California to Miami.